Hi guys, good afternoon everyone, depend where you are watching me from. Today we are going to be making a zobo drink, guys. So as you can see, these are the ingredients to make the zobo drink, guys. See, so guys, you can see the water is hot. We are putting our zobo drink. So, and after this we'll be adding all the ingredients we need there, guys. So guys, we are going to be adding our pineapple. So you can see, yeah, take if you want. So this is our pineapple, we are adding it. Me machao. So we are going to leave it for a while to cook. So guys, so we are going to remove the pineapple and blend it, okay? So guys, you can see we are blending the pineapple
with
ginger, no?
yes,
with ginger.
now we are going to cool it.
So guys, you can see we are turning the blender one inside. So guys, you can see we have done. This is our zobo drink, guys. Please like and follow. See you in our next video. Bye bye. For cup, let's test it. No, put more for you for this glass cup. Oh my God! Yeah. So not too also.
You have to let it cook.
So guys, this is our zobo drink. So as you can see, we have 3 cans and 3 small ones. So please like and share. See you in our next video. Bye bye.